Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a simple clean and cook with me video. I worked from home on this particular day, and as you can see, I have on, I would say, some simple lounge wear or pajamas or whatever you want to call it. Just know when I work from home, I like to be extremely comfortable. All in all, I decided to do a little cleaning, just straighten up my living room a little bit, and then clean my kitchen and then cook dinner. Something simple, quick, and easy. While cleaning, guys, I love to listen to music, different genres of music. And as you can see, I dance when I clean. I just love to listen to music and cleaning, and it just gets my spirit up and it gets me in a good mood and it keeps the time go by fast. And once I know it, my cleaning is all done. Okay, guys, it's cooking time. On this particular night, I wanted to cook something quick, simple, and easy since I had did some cleaning earlier after I got off work, and I just wanted to have dinner done and I didn't want to spend all day cooking. So what I cooked was some vegan chicken bites, and I added some sweet chili sauce to it. And I had some leftover rice. So what I did was I heated up the leftover rice and added some egg and some Asian vegetable medley mix to it. I know it's not the healthiest, guys. I'm a work in progress, and I'm going to learn to cook better, more healthier meals for my family. One thing I know for sure, guys, you can make a delicious meal with some leftover rice and vegetables. be a voiceover video. And what I'm getting ready to do now is just roll my hair out. Let me use this brush because I'm using this little small tooth comb and it's pulling my hair. It ain't working. Yeah, so I have a little curl in it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's just, I did a little cooking and a little cleaning. Nothing major, just a little bit. I actually work from home today. So I just wanted to just show you guys just a simple little routine that I do when I work from home or once I get off work, like something that I might do. And I just wanted to bring you guys along, that's all. I didn't say much in the video because I wanted to be like a voiceover video. So, you know, just trying to, you know, do a couple of voiceover videos and then just regular talk through videos. See how you guys like it. And too, just a little challenge for myself, that's all. But yes, if you are new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I really appreciate you guys' support. Let me say that. Oh, but yeah, guys, let me tell y'all what happened. So this morning when I was working from home, I was just sitting down, I was working or whatever. The bird's nest on the roof of my front door of my house. And I was just sitting there early today. I had thought about it. I was like, I want to check on them, you know, because I be looking at the eggs and stuff. But you see, like the last 2 days, I think I haven't looked at them. I just, you know, I ain't been looking at it. And when I look at it, I gotta like stand on a stool outside of the house. From the window that's in the front door. And you know, every time you move the blind, the little bird, the mama bird, she fly away. But anyway, so I was like, I had thought about it, then I was like, no, I'll look at it later. Look at it, you know, check on the eggs later. Today, when I checked on them eggs done hatched. I was like, oh my God, them eggs done hatched. I was like, oh my goodness. So, the little bird is done hatched, and they look like I don't know what they look like. It just look like a glob of hair or something. I don't know. I'll insert a picture and let y'all see what it look like. But I'm going to have a video just specifically for those birds or whatever. But I'll insert a picture and let y'all see what the little birds look like. And it was like 3 eggs, y'all. And so when I saw it, the day I realized it was 3 eggs. Well, the day I realized that I had a bird's nest on my front door, I named the birds. And the names I have, since 3 eggs, I'm going to say it's 2 boys and a girl. So I'm going to say the girl name is Tweety, but we're going to call her Tweet. And the 2 boy birds are Falcon and Maverick. So let me go ahead and close out this video. Always remember you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys. Bye.